Do you need a shower replacement in your Spokane, Washington home? How can you even tell if you need a new shower? The experts at Bath Planet can help you decide if a shower replacement is right for you. As Spokane's bath and shower remodeling professionals, we know everything there is to know about shower replacements. From how to tell if you need one to the best shower for your home, our team is here to help. So, how do you know if you need a new shower? Some common problems homeowners face with showers include leaks, cracks, poor water pressure, and damaged fixtures. If you notice any of these issues in your shower, it's time for a replacement. Once you decide a new shower is right for your home, you need to decide which type of shower to install. Some of the most popular options include step-in showers, walk-in showers, and tub shower combos. The right choice depends on your personal preference. Regardless, you can get more out of your shower by adding some modern features. Multiple shower heads, shower stools or benches, and grab bars can make your shower safer and more comfortable. At Bath Planet, we provide the best shower replacements in Spokane County. We'll remove your old shower, check for damage, and install a brand new, beautiful shower in its place. If you want a state-of-the-art shower in your Spokane, Washington home, Bath Planet is the answer. Call us today to get started.